Alright, we got this other elevator here at the some hotel. But it's a Schindler, it looks like a Eurolift. Anyway. Huh. That is a strange panel. They have one panel just for one other floor, and only one PI is working. What the hell? And now it'll be back up. Okay, I don't even know what's going on. Do your thing. Yeah, that's weird. So every floor is on there, but -1 is on that separate panel. And this one has the working PI. Wait, that one's, I swear, that one, I saw that one like try to work off the corner of my eye. Yeah, look, it's like trying. It's just dead. Nice, typical Eurolift. Very nice. That's so weird. Like, why? Why do they have it that way? Anyway, back up to 0. And quickly we'll have a look. Installed 2002 Schindler, 1,000 kilogram capacity. And here we are at the lobby. Anyway, I'm going to end the video.